Hello friends, how are you? I am Mr. Narendra Jangle from Kokhle Education Society's RM Bhatt High School, Pare. Students, today I am preparing a video on SSC's 10th Standard Mathematics Part 2, that means Geometry. First chapter from Geometry is Similarity. From that chapter, the first point is ratio of areas of two triangles. So I am preparing the video on that ratio of areas of two triangles. There are three properties related to that ratio of areas of two triangles. So let us see that properties. So dear students, let us start Maths Part 2. Geometries, first chapter, Similarity. You know, similar figures and congruent figures. So before studying that similarity, we must know the meaning of that word similarity or similar figures. When two figures having the same shape, these are called similar figures. Their shape are same, sizes may be same or may be different. So in this chapter, before studying the similarity, here only the similarity of triangles is there. So many figures are there of similarity, examples of similar figures. India and map of India. These are the examples of similar figure. A building and its model made by the architecture. These are the similar figures. Two human beings. These are so many examples are there. Rectangles, triangles, squares. So here in this chapter we are going to study the similarity of triangles only. Now before studying that similarity, one point is there, that is area of triangles. So what is area of triangle? How will we get area of triangle? And then second point is the important point from this first chapter, that is ratio of areas of any two triangle. These are the properties of ratios of any two triangles. So here area of this triangle, if we consider this triangle ABC, here triangle ABC is shown in the figure and we have to find the area of that triangle. So how will we get the area? Here this BC is the base of that triangle and this AD is the height of that triangle. Therefore, you know the formula, area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. So this is the formula to calculate. So we get the area of triangle ABC, half into BC into AD. So in this way we can calculate the area of any triangle. Is it clear? How to calculate the area of triangle. Now let us see the ratio of areas of two triangles. So there are three properties. The first property is, here if we consider two triangles, here two triangles are drawn already. One is triangle ABC, in which BC is the base and AD is the height. So what is meant by height? Height of the triangle means if we draw a perpendicular from any vertex of a triangle to its opposite side, that is called height for this base BC. That is altitude. That is also known as altitude. So here AD is the height, BC is the base. So how will we get area of this triangle? So area of triangle ABC equals half base means BC multiplied by height means AD. Similarly, in this triangle PQR, QR is the base and PS is the height. So we get area of triangle PQR is equal to half into base is QR and height is PS. So in this first figure, here it is shown by red color and it is shown by blue color. It is shown by green color and here brown color. That different colors indicates that these are not equal. Means in this first case, these two triangles are there. There is no relation between these two triangles. Means either the bases are not equal, heights are not equal. The heights are different, bases are different. So here if we consider this B1 and B2 as bases, B1 and B2, H1 and H2 as heights of these two triangles. Now find the ratio of their areas. Try to find the ratio of their areas. How will we get? Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to area of triangle ABC, substitute half into BC into AD, and area of triangle PQR is half into QR into PS. So this half get cancelled and we get our answer as BC into AD divided by QR into PS. So this we can write like this: BC upon QR into this AD upon PS, and here it is left hand side, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. So what is our first property? This is our first property. So here we get this is B1 upon B2 into H1 upon H2. So we can write the property. If we observe this left hand side is ratio of areas of any two triangles is equal to, it is equal to what? The ratio of the product of their corresponding bases and heights. So here we can write the first property: the ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their base and corresponding heights. So this is the first property. If any two triangles are there in which the height and base are different, bases are different, heights are different, means these are any two triangles, there is no relation between these two triangles, then directly we can write ratio of their area is equal to the ratio of product of bases and the corresponding heights. So this is the first property. In practice set 1.1 we have to use these properties. Using these properties of ratio of areas of triangle, that practice set 1 we have to solve. Now let us see second property. Now here let us see that second property. If we observe these figures, in these figures, suppose B1 and B2 are the bases of these two triangles and H1 and H2 are the heights of these two triangles. If we observe the colors, this base and this base having the different color, that means bases are different but heights are equal, means these are the triangles of equal height. So what we can write? In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AD equals PS, or H1 is equal to H2. That means their heights are equal. So if we find the ratio of areas of these two triangles, in previous property we have already written the area Formula for area of triangle ABC is equal to half BC into AD. Area of triangle PQR is equal to half PQR into PS. So directly we can write here area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to formula for ABC half into BC into AD divided by formula for second triangle is QR base into PS height. Now simplify, this half get cancelled. So we get BC upon QR. Because this AD and PS are equal, that get cancelled. Their base heights are equal, therefore heights are also get cancelled. So we get area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC upon QR. This BC upon QR is nothing but the ratio of their bases B1 upon B2. So here let us see this property again. In this triangles, these are the two triangles having equal heights. So in a triangle of equal heights, if we write the ratio of their areas, we get half into BC into AD divided by half into QR into PS. But here this half get cancelled and this AD and PS also get cancelled because these are equal terms. AD and PS heights are equal. H1 and H2 are equal. So here we can write like this, half into B1 upon B2 into H1 upon H2. But H1 and H2 are equal, get cancelled. So we get this half also get cancelled. We get B1 upon B2. So what is our second property? Here left hand side is the ratio of areas of two triangles having equal height or with equal height. Ratio of areas of two triangles with equal heights is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. So in this way we can write the second property, the ratio of the areas of two triangles with equal height. This is important. The ratio of areas of two triangles with equal heights is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Ratio of their corresponding bases, that means A1 upon A2. Area of triangle A1 and area of triangle A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. Means ratio of area is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases. But when triangles with equal height, this is the reason. Whenever we use this property, we have to write this reason. Triangles with equal height. So this is our second property. Remember this second property. If the heights are equal, then the ratio of areas of triangles is always equal to the ratio of their bases. So this is second property. Let us see third. So in this third property, if we observe these two triangles, which one? ABC, this is the larger triangle having AB as the height, base, and CD as the height. So we get area of triangle ABC is equal to half into AB into CD. And here second, triangle PAB. In this triangle PAB, triangle PAB is equal to half into AB into PQ. So here what is the common? Their bases are common. Here AB is the common base for this triangle ACB and this PAB. For both, means these are the triangles of equal bases. So this property is for the triangles having equal bases. Now, whenever the bases are equal, how will we get the relation between ratio of their areas? If we write area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PAB is equal to half into area of this triangle is half ACB, AB base multiplied by CQ or CD is height. Now half PAB, for PAB that red color AB is the base, same base, into PQ is the height. So there half, this half get cancelled. This AB is the common base, equal base get cancelled. So we get area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PAB is equal to CD upon PQ is equal to H1 upon H2. Means we get the third property. If here left hand side is the ratio of areas of two triangles with equal bases, having common bases, is always equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. So we can write the third property: the ratio of areas of two triangles with equal base is always equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. Means if ratios heights are equal, the ratio of area is equal to ratio of bases, and bases are equal, then their ratio of area is equal to ratio of their height. So we get this relation: A1 upon A2 is equal to H1 upon H2. So in this way, these are the three properties for this similarity. Before studying that similarity, to prove the theorem, basic proportionality theorem, these properties are important, and our practice set 1.1 is based on these properties. So we studied in this lecture, only we studied these properties, only we studying these properties. Now note one thing again. If we observe triangle ABC and triangle PQR, here BC shown by the same color and QR shown by the same color, that means BC equals QR, equal bases, B1 is equal to B2. Second thing, this AD, that is the height, and here PS is the height, are shown by the same color. That means this AD and PS are equal, means their heights are also equals. If two triangles are there having equal base, means common base or equal base and equal height, then what is the relation between their areas? Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to half into BC into AD divided by half into QR into PS. That means half into B1 into H1, half into B2 into H2. So here half get cancelled. This B1 and B2 are equal, get cancelled. H1 and H2 are equal, get cancelled. So we get the area is equal to 1. So ratio is equal to 1. Ratio of triangles having equal base and equal height. If their height is equal and their base is equal, their ratio is equal to 1. That means these areas are equal. These are called equiareal triangles. So we can write area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PQR. So these are equiareal triangles. This is one more property. Whenever the bases are equal and the heights are equal, both are equal, then their areas are always equal. So ratio is always 1. Remember this one. Now let us see one activity before practice set 1.1. In next lecture, we will see that practice set 1.1. I will make the separate video on practice set 1. This is the small video only on this properties, ratio of areas of two triangles. So here ABC is one of the triangle in this figure, having BC as the base, AR as the height, and this APQ is one of the triangle having PQ as the base and AR as the heights. So these are the triangles of equal height. If we observe triangle APQ, this is PQ base and this is height AR. Here this is base and this is height. So you know, in any two triangles ABC and APQ, these are two triangles according to our first property. What is our first property? Ratio of areas of two triangles, any two triangles, is always equal to the ratio of product of their bases. Means here their base for ABC is BC upon, here it is PQ, ratio of the product of their bases and the corresponding heights. So corresponding heights are AR and here again AR. So AR get cancelled and here we get BC upon PQ. So in this way we can complete this activity for 1 or 2 marks. So this is the small activity. Now let us see second activity. Now observe carefully this second figure. Here triangle ABC is the given triangle. M is the midpoint of triangle ABC. That means CM is the median of triangle ABC. Then what we have to write? Ratio of area of triangle AMC. AMC means this one. AMC. And area of triangle this one, that is BMC. So here remember one thing, if we observe this AMC and BMC, these two triangles having the common height of this A, if we draw the height then we get like this. Height of this triangle AMC is this one is the height. For BMC it is isosceles, sorry, it is obtuse angle triangle. In obtuse angle triangle the height is outside the triangle. So height is common for both one, and that's why this AMC and BMC, these are the triangles of equal height, and therefore ratio of their areas is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases, means AM upon MB. But AM is equal to MB, therefore what we can write? AM upon AM, because MB and AM are equal, so is equal to 1 because their bases are also equal. So in this way these are the two activities before that practice set 1. Now note one point again, one thing. If we observe this figure, how to decide these are the triangles of equal height? One trick is there. Let us see this trick. Here A, B, C, and this is the D point. So whenever here it is triangle ABC and here it is D point. So how to decide these are the triangles of equal height? If we consider triangle ABC and ABC and ADC, this is the first pair. Second pair, triangle ABC and triangle ABD. If we observe this triangle ABC and ADC, here A and C, these are the two common points, common vertices. So if two triangles having two common vertices, दो vertices common है, and the sides opposite to one of the common vertices, एक common vertices जो है उसके सामने वाला sides are in a straight line. So here BD and BC are in a straight line. Then we can say these are the triangles of equal height and their ratio of their areas, यानी ABC upon area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC is equal to the sides which are in a straight line are the bases. So ratio of their areas is equal to BC upon DC. So in this way we can identify here second pair ABC, ABD. A and B, these are the two common vertices and the sides opposite to one of the common vertices, vertex A, are in straight line, BD and BC. So this ratio is equal to BD by BC. So here these properties of ratio of areas of triangles, these 3-4 properties are there, that properties are completed. I hope you have understood all the properties. Carefully watch the video, completely watch the video to the last point, and if you like that video then press the like button and subscribe my channel. If you subscribe my channel, then you will regularly get the new videos which will be uploaded by me in future. So please subscribe my channel. If you having any doubt in this first point, then you can write in the comment. I will answer in next video. So thank you.